evening and welcome to tonight's special edition of Psychology News, where we will be crossing live to Rebecca Cook, second year psychology student, asking her questions about elephants.
That's right, Rebecca. Thanks so much for having me on the show.
So Rebecca, tell me about elephants and how they most likely live in the natural world.
Okay, well, elephants are large mammals that belong to the family Elephantidae and are what we consider charismatic megafauna. That means they are large and they catch our attention. They are the largest land animals on Earth, with two species being traditionally recognised, the African elephant and the Asian elephant. The African elephant is the larger of the two species and can grow up to 4 metres and weigh between 2,000 and 6,000 kilograms, while the Asian elephant is a little bit smaller and can grow up to 3 metres and weigh between 2,000 and 5,000 kilograms. Male elephants are called bulls and females are called cows. And much like zebras and their stripes, no two elephants are the same. They each have a characteristic trunk and large floppy ears. Elephants are scattered throughout sub-Saharan Africa, South Asia and Southeast Asia. Elephants are herbivorous and feed on grasses, fruits, fruit and bark, using their tusks to pull the bark from trees and dig roots out of the ground. With their appetite matching their size, each individual elephant can eat over 130 kilograms of food each day. They can be found in different habitats including savannas, forests and deserts, but prefer to stay near a water source if possible. Elephants have a very long gestation period, approximating to around 22 months. When the calf is born, it gains about 2 to 3 pounds each day. In the wild, elephants live to between 30 and 50 years of age and reach their maturity about 15. Elephants are greatly social creatures and live in herds.
Elephantidae, what a funny word. So Rebecca, the question on everyone's lips is, are elephants conscious? Are they intelligent? And do they have emotions?
Well, it's interesting that you ask those questions, Rebecca, as elephants are actually one of the most intelligent species on Earth. You know what they say when you've got really good memory? You've got the memory of an elephant. Elephants can be seen as conscious creatures as they have shown self-awareness. Self-awareness is one of the cognitive skills that was once thought to differentiate humans from all other animals, but it now appears to be shared with at least some other species, including dolphins and elephants. To explore this, scientists have been using a protocol developed by Gordon Gallup called the mirror test. Elephants have been shown to exhibit self-awareness during this task by examining their bodies in the mirror, and are often shown to spend a considerable amount of time in front of the mirror and even bring their food to consume in front of it. The insight and intelligence of the elephant is particularly noteworthy in their ability to mourn their dead. This behaviour has only been previously noted in humans. In fact, recently deceased elephants receive a burial ceremony. Elephants have also been shown to show intelligence in their ability to self-medicate, with pregnant elephants eating a specific type of leaf to induce labour. Elephants are able to use tools or implements to accomplish a task they cannot perform on their own, using sticks to scratch their backs. They've also been known to drop rocks on electric fences to damage them. Elephant brains are quite similar to human brains in the sense that they have a large and highly complex neocortex. The elephant also has a large hippocampus, much like ours, which is linked to emotion and spatial memory, and is often thought that this is the reason that elephants suffer an equivalent to our post-traumatic stress disorder. Elephants have the ability to learn, and it is this reason they are often used for entertainment purposes, such as those in zoos and circuses, where they are taught tricks like painting pictures.
And Rebecca, how confident are we about these answers?
Well, Rebecca, given that we can't physically ask these animals what they're thinking and how they're feeling, we can't be sure, but evidence suggests that they are conscious and that they feel emotion, and they are definitely intelligent.
That's very interesting, Rebecca. So what is the future looking like for elephants, and what factors might affect their future?
Well, Rebecca, elephants, Asian in particular, are a highly endangered species, and it is expected with their current rate of decline that they would be extinct within 3 generations. It's approximated that elephant numbers have dropped by 62% over the last decade, according to the National Geographic, with about 100 African elephants being killed each day. Since the development of advanced weaponry, elephants have been hunted for their ivory. According to National Geographic, poachers have killed approximately 100,000 elephants in the past 3 years alone. If the elephants are to survive, the demand for ivory must be drastically reduced. Currently, the world is losing more elephants than the population can reproduce. Elephants are a keystone species, meaning they create and maintain ecosystems in which they live and make it possible for plant and animal species to live in these environments as well. The loss of elephants greatly affects many species that depend on elephant-maintained ecosystems, so not only will we be killing off an entire species, but we'll be causing chaos to the structure of nature and endangering the lives of other organisms also.
Well, thanks for that, Rebecca. It was very lovely learning about elephants with you, and we hope to catch up with you again sometime soon. Well, guys, that concludes tonight's special edition of Psychology News. Tune in tomorrow for more. I'm your host, Rebecca Cook. Thanks for watching.